happy birthday. Nagmamadali na ako pero basta happy birthday. Hindi ko alam kung makakapunta ako. Pero love you, love you, love you. Bye-bye.
Para saan ba yun? Pare. Birthday, man. Wala akong naging gift sa'yo, man. Sensyaan mo na yung nakasobri pa, ha? Wala lang yun. Alam mo naman yun. Barya lang sa akin yun. Hindi, joke lang. Di ako gano'n kagalante, Brad. Kahit minsan napipigod ako sa'yo, pero di pa rin tayo magbabago, Brad, ha? Ikaw pa rin para akong utol. Alam mo naman tayo. Kahit marami tayo. Alam ko wala akong maasar sa'yo, pero meron akong pangasar sa'yo. Kung paano ka nag-sacrifice sa isang babae na pinakamamahal mo na kilala mo na yun. Kin. Oh, sorry, nabanggit ko. Ewan ko ba't may rehas dito katabi kayo, wala raw ilaw eh. Ay, nako. Basta ako, tol. I guarantee, magkakaroon ka rin ng shota. Ako, kay Danica, wala lang yun. Alam mo naman, gusto ko pa rin si Julie. Actually, si Jade nga pala. Mahal na mahal ko. Oh, sa YouTube pa nga pala to. Wala lang, you are the best. Because you are my best buddy. Aray. Sige. Salamat. Sige, happy birthday ulit, men. Sige, tanda mo na. Kurang. Sige. Salamat.
Hi, Papa Adam. Happy 22nd birthday. I just want to thank you for everything. Yung friendship, for being there like a brother to me. Tapos, I wish you all the best. Sana magka-girlfriend ka na. And sa lahat ng mga advices mo, yung little talk natin through YM, through phone, and sana makamit mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo. At kung malayo mo ng mararating mo, huwag ka makakalimutan sa kanilang laging. Always pray. And sana mag-thank you ka lahat sa mga blessings na binibigay ni Lord sa'yo. Okay? I love you so much. And I'll see you. Happy birthday!
Ayun, Adam, happy birthday. Sana matupad lahat ng wishes mo. Lagi mo lang tatandaan, dito lang kami. Buong Hustler family. Yan, kami lahat. Isa na yun.
Hi, babe! Happy birthday! Wala lang. Alam ko, miss ko kayong lahat. Nakakalungkot nga lang kasi syempre hindi ako nakasama. Hindi ako makakapunta sa birthday mo. Like, sa Sunday, di ba lalabas kayo? Hindi ako makakapunta. So, ayun. Sorry. I'll be back in 2 years. I'll see you all. And then, ayan, sana maging happy kayo lagi. Ikaw, lalo ka na. Huwag ka masyadong emo. Huwag ka masyadong mag-isip ng kung ano-ano. Life is beautiful. Kung may makita ka, go! I'll be happier for you. Bye! I'm gonna miss you. Happy birthday. Ayoko. Umiiyak ako. Happy birthday na lang. Sabi kasi ni Kiki, yung iyak ko para sa'yo na lang daw.
Tears of joy, mga ate.
Happy birthday. Kakaalis niya lang kanina. Kaya yun, pumunta siya dito. Wala lang, ng gulo. Sakto, kakatapos ka lang umiyak. Bakit ako umiiyak? Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam. Happy birthday, Kin. Pasensya ka na, hindi ako nakapunta sa birthday mo. Happy birthday na lang. Tsaka ingat ka lagi, okay? Nandito lang ako lagi for you. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Pare, we're coops. Ito yung
Birthday, man.
Happy birthday, tol. Dito lang kami lagi.
Dito lang kami, man. Maasahan. Ako? Adam.
I will be here. If in the dark we lose sight of love, hold my hand and have no fear. I will be here. I will be here when you feel like being quiet when you need to speak your mind. I will listen and I will be here when the laughter turns to crying. Through the winning, losing and trying, I will be here, 'cause I will be here. Tomorrow morning when you wake up and your future is unclear, I will be here. Hey, just as sure as seasons are made for change, our lifetimes are made for years. I will be here. I will be here. You can cry on my shoulder when the mirror tells us we're older. I will hold you and I will be here to watch you grow in beauty and tell you all of the things that you are to me. I will be here. Oh, I will be true to the promise I have made to you and to the one who gave you to me.
Happy birthday!
Birthday.
Happy 22nd
Happy birthday,
I
kid!
will be here, will be